Welcome to Virtual Auditor, your one-stop solution for all your compliance needs. Do you want to know the upcoming statutory compliances? Director KYC, DIR3 KYC. As per MCA clarification, every person holding DIN are mandatorily required to file their KYC, and in case of delay in filing or non-filing, there is a late fee of 5,000 rupees. Return of deposit in DPT3. Every company other than government company to which these rules apply shall on or before the 30th day of June of every year file with the registrar a return in Form DPT3 along with the fee as provided in Companies Registration Offices and Fees Rules 2014 and furnish the information contained therein as on the 31st day of March of that year duly audited by the auditor of the company. MSME 1. All companies who get supplies of goods or services from micro and small enterprises and whose payments to micro and small enterprise suppliers exceed 45 days from the date of acceptance or the date of deemed acceptance of the goods or services. As per the provisions of Section 9 of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006, 27 of 2006, hereafter referred to as specified companies, shall submit a half-yearly return to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Income tax return filing for company and director. Every company shall file their return of income within the due date for financial year. In case of delay in filing of income tax return, there is penalty of 5,000 rupees. Foreign liabilities and assets, annual return. For companies which foreign direct investment, all need to file mandatory file form with RBI with the 15th of July. Penalty in case the company does not file the FLA return within the given time. The company will be liable to pay a penalty of thrice the sum involved in the contravention. In case it is not quantifiable, then a penalty of 200,000 rupees will have to be paid by the company. If the contravention is continuing, a penalty of 5,000 rupees per day will have to be paid by the company. Yearly accounts closing. The financial year has to end books of accounts and accounts needs to close to submit it to the auditors. We at Virtual Auditors provide outsourced accounting services and virtual CFO services to help our clients. Preparation of balance sheet, profit and loss account, director report, annual report. Every company after end of year shall prepare their balance sheet and file it with MCA. Holding of annual general meeting. Every company shall call and hold annual general meeting within 6 months from the end of financial year. And in case of first AGM, it can be held within 9 months from the end of financial year. ROC filing. Every company is under mandatory compliance to file their financial statement and annual return with respective ROC. And in case of not filing, delay filing offers lead to penalty of 200 rupees per day. Maintaining statutory register and minute books. Every company, since incorporation, shall require to maintain statutory books of account and minute book of the meeting. Professional tax renewal, yearly renewal. Yearly renewal of professional tax registration for Maharashtra and Karnataka. Shop and Establishment Act renewal. Yearly renewal of shop tax registration for Maharashtra and Karnataka. Why wait? Give us a call on 9962260333 to get all your statutory compliances done. Virtual Auditor, your partner in business. For more information, contact us. Mumbai office. Call 7700089597. Bengaluru office. Call 9513929333. Chennai office. Call 9962260333.